Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Many people ask me one question. Sir, Nifty has fallen from 11,800 to almost 11,200. 600 points corrected. Bank Nifty has corrected more than 3,000 points. Sir, is this a trend reversal? Will the market be breaking 11,000 and 10,500, or the markets will stabilize somewhere here? So that is a $1 million question. One guy gave it in reply to one of my tweets saying that Mr. Sundar, mark my words, Nifty will be testing 6,000. So if 1 or 2 days market falls, the people start talking about 6,000 and 5,000. First, let us understand, if market has to crash, the VIX will shoot up. We have seen how VIX shot up from 15 to almost 85 during the month of March. And that is when the Nifty corrected from 12,400 to 7,500. So, if the bigger crash has to come or the fall has to continue, the volatility index has to shoot up. But right now, the volatility index is not shooting up as much as people are expecting. Even in US, when the markets fell, Tesla fell 21% on Tuesday, and Apple fell more than 6%. Dow Jones fell 650 points, and Nasdaq fell more than 3%, went into correction territory. But still, correspondingly, the VIX did not shoot up. Let us see the basic difference between this time fall and the March fall. In the month of March, there was a news flow that is coronavirus, and the markets fell. But this time in the US, markets fell without any corresponding news. The only news that we have is that the technology stocks have shot up so much in the short term. So if that is the case, it should only be a profit booking. Because it has shot up so much, 10%, 20%, it can correct. And once 15, 20, 30% correction comes, for the new players, the prices will look attractive and they will start entering, and the markets will stabilize or may go up. So remember, volatility will increase if there is any bad news. And that volatility increase only we have to be worried about. If the normal profit booking, also the volatility will go up, but it may not go up very significantly. So at some point of time, market will stop falling and it will reverse. Newton's first law, for those who do not know, let me tell you, a particle will continue to be at rest or will continue to be moving in the same direction unless acted upon by an external force. So that means a market falling, it will continue to fall because more and more people will be short selling. And somewhere the fall has to be arrested. So some external force, that means some people come and put a buy order, a big buy order. Then the market will turn around. And once markets turn around, that will be moving in the same direction. So Nifty tested 11,200 on Wednesday, and I hope that is the lowest point for the rest of the series. And market has bounced back more than 100 points. So why I believe that this is only a normal correction? not a bigger fall, it's because there was no negative news associated with this fall. So once there is enough profit booking happens, the market will stop falling and it will start recovering. So remember, VIX shooting up due to some news flow, some natural disaster or some kind of things, some negative things. So that is the time you have to worry so much, but now it is not to worry so much, and at the lower level one can buy the shares. And in fact, yesterday I bought ITC shares, and I already bought ITC shares at around 198 rupees, and yesterday it came to 183, and again I bought to average it out. Thank you for watching.